Is Raj, and as you know, we are in American Institute right now. So today we are with a ma'am, and today I'm going to discuss with her because she has joined America recently. So we are going to discuss something about her career, her life, and what sort of mindset she has. So I'm gonna start something. So listen carefully, how to tackle the situation, what is problem, and where we are stuck. So many more things I have. So I'm gonna discuss about that. So first of all, that's great. So tell me what's your name to audience. What's your name first?
My name is Amina.
Okay. So where are you from?
I am from Barabanki.
That's great. Can you tell me like where do you live in Barabanki?
I live in Barabanki at Ghantaghar.
That's great. Ghantaghar actually I heard. So can you tell me how far is it from here?
It is from here at 1 kilometer.
It is for 1 kilometer, right? Okay, that's great. So you come to American on foot or do you use any vehicle?
I come American at foot, my foot.
On foot. That's great. Nice, ma'am. So right now, what are you doing? Like everybody, if we talk about especially in your age, we people are studying. So what are you doing right now in education?
I'm appearing for BBA LLB right now from our university.
Okay, that's great. Can you tell us like what is BBA? What is the full form of BBA?
Bachelor of Business Administration.
It's right. And the second thing, so you told something LLB, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is full form of that?
Bachelors of Law.
That's very nice. Good. So you are taking classes regularly.
I'm taking class regularly.
Ma'am, what do you want to be in your life?
I want to become a lawyer.
You want to become a lawyer. So it's your own like vision or someone motivated you?
No, it's my own vision.
That's great. So, ma'am, actually, I would like to ask one question, which is, do you offer the namaz?
I offered the namaz
How many times do you offer the namaz in a day?
5 times. I offered the namaz 5 times
In a day,
in a day.
Okay. You have to tell our viewers if you are offering the namaz. So, what is the benefit of that? And you have one like one religious book, that is Quran, and you have to define what is Quran. Why do you offer the namaz 5 times? And the secondary, I can ask about what is Quran. So you have to define both things. Okay? Yeah, please.
First of all, the Quran is a central holy book of religion. The Quran considers all the Muslim thankful to Allah. That is Quran.
Okay, that's great. So what do you learn specific from that book?
I learn
So many things.
I learn so many things in that, and for reading that I get peace also.
Yeah.
And it is a it is a religion book which is given by Allah, and that's why we are thankful to Allah.
That's nice. No. Actually, you are not saying that. What we are getting by that? You said peaceful, right?
Yes, sir.
Like peaceful mind. So second thing, so what do you get by that? Here, I'm saying that if you read the Quran, after reading the Quran, if you are sitting over like any place of house,
Yes, sir.
so what do you think in your mind that I got something now?
First of all, I read every day. Then after some time when reading, we have sitting together with I am sitting with my mom and telling I have read something about new thought I get in Quran. So my mother is telling something.
Can you tell that what is?
Sir, something like who have given life, like about that type things.
Okay. So your mother tells life is very important,
Yes,
or the
sir.
crucial part of no, the Quran is crucial part of that. So if you guys are like Muslims, so think about that. We have to read the Quran. Why? Because we have to know the morality of the society. how to aware the people, and don't mislead by anybody in this country without reading the Quran, guys. You should read the Quran and think about that what is the life, right? Okay, ma'am. So, are you proud to be Muslim?
I am proud to be Muslim
Okay, just tell me why.
because it is a religion. It is a religion of beautiful religion because it is given by Prophet Muhammad.
That's very nice. I love it. So yes, ma'am. Actually, sometimes when I talk to you while conversation here in American, so once I heard from your mouth that you don't take non-veg. So yeah, what is the reason behind it? Why you don't take non-veg?
Because I don't like it. That's why.
Okay, only you don't like it or any other reason behind it?
No, sir, I don't like it. That's it.
Okay, so as you see, guys, actually she doesn't take non-veg. I don't know why, but she doesn't like. That's why she's saying I don't take non-veg. That's nice, ma'am. Okay. So one more things I would like to ask. Where did you complete your schooling from?
I have completed my schooling from KGIC,
Sorry.
King George Inter College.
That's nice. So who was your favorite teacher over there?
My favorite teacher is Miss Palak Jain.
Why did you like her?
She is so pretty and her behavior is so good.
Oh, that's nice. Very good. So what subject she was teaching that time?
She is teaching accounts and commerce.
Okay. So after leaving that school, you are missing that school now?
I am missing that school.
That's good. So actually it's morning time, so have you taken your breakfast?
I have not taken breakfast. After I reach my home, then I will take breakfast.
Okay. Do you like your mother or father?
Both of them.
Okay. What do you learn from your father?
My father. What do you learn from my father? My father is a hard worker,
Okay.
and second, he is a kind of person.
Nice. Your father does hard work, right? And what do you learn from your mother?
My mother is a very best mother because she is like a best friend,
Okay.
and she knows why I am sad, all thing about me.
Okay. So yeah, it's good actually. Your mother knows that you are sad or you are happy, right?
Yes.
Sometimes your mother slaps you. Then what is your reaction on your mother?
I am angry with her.
So if your mother will watch this video, then what do you think about that? If you are angry on your mother, so what do you think about
I don't think.
that? She should not beat you because you are also you have a good nature, and you joined American. Now you are getting like your English is getting improved day by day. That's nice. So I'll meet you with the next topic, and it was very nice conversation with you. Nice meeting you.